Here's a great deal on a 2016 Ford Explorer. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, heated and ventilated seats, automatic temperature control, and cruise control. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.